Hello, this is Christina from Nexus. We are at 29 Aspen Way in Hopkinton at a townhouse. We are starting in the master bedroom. This is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath townhouse. Nice spacious carpets on the second floor throughout the bedrooms. Look at this wonderful view. Next up, master bathroom. A nice standing shower. I love the tile work in this and the color scheme. Master bedroom closet. There's a lot of closets in this townhouse. Second bathroom with a tub. Very nice. Second bedroom. On our way, we have another closet. And to our right, laundry units. Very convenient. And this is the third bedroom. Next, we'll go downstairs. Now to this beautiful open layout foyer. Beautiful floors. This is the entry door. Another closet ahead. Beautiful area here, could be used for a dining room. This could be set up as a living room with a couch. Very nice and spacious. An open layout right into the kitchen. Stainless steel appliance. Island for breakfast bar. And a beautiful deck where you can hang out in the morning, afternoon, evenings. Next, straight ahead, you see the half bath. There's another closet here, and this leads right into the garage. 2-car garage, depending on your size of your car. There's an EV charger. And our last step is partially finished basement. Very spacious. So you can have plenty of storage down here, or have the kids play. Could be a nice quiet area for a home office. Lots of light and walk out to the outside. Thank you.